Hello, or hi, nice to meet ya. I made a Tekken 8 video with my good friend Deontay. As you can see, he's tall as hell, which is why he's my tallest op. And I'm trying to knock him down a couple pegs, which is why I challenged him to Tekken 8. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy the video, and here we go. Hold on. So, as you already know, I wanted to fight you, so that way I could prove that I'm better than you.
Whoa, I didn't know you was about to add fucking new dialogue to what you guys said before. Okay, well, look, continue, I guess.
But no, man, I'm trying to put you in the pack. Listen, what I want to do a best of 6. Whoever wins the best of 6 games is the champion. You are my tallest op, okay? So I need to lock in and beat the shit out of you, okay?
Yes, I hear you loud and clear. I'm never gonna decline a fight with you.
Hey, well, I appreciate you.
Right, any fight with you is a good little practice round, you know, a good little
practice round. Wow. But yeah, I'm thinking best of 6 in Tekken, and then best of 6 in just whoever wins the best of 6 games, which means you gotta win by 4, is the overall winner. You know what I mean?
Oh God.
Let's boot this bitch up. Well, not before I tell you what I did in preparation for this match. So Deontay is one of those people who's really good at a game after playing it for a while. When we first started playing Tekken, he was not very good. And like a couple weeks later of online play, dude just became a god. He's red rank Shin Ryu with Asuka right now. So I knew this going in, and I knew that I needed to train and be ready. And part of my training was also playing online, so that way I could be prepared for this mental and virtual ass kicking that he's about to hand me.
You monkey! You won't be able to defeat me.
Wow, is this your Frieza impression, bro?
Yeah, I tried.
Bro called me a monkey? Oh my god.
We're all white. Put some purple in it.
Nah, bro, that might give a different connotation, you know what
I peeped.
Damn.
I peeped.
Oh no. He's blocking the lows. He's watching his toes. Hey, okay. Keep this though. I'm watching my toes. Oh no. I'm watching my toes too, gang.
Not that time. Where your ankles at, nigga? Where your ankles at?
No.
Where your ankles at, nigga?
Leave me alone. Leave me and my ankles out of this. I won't let you cross me up again. Never! Take that! Take that! I think I can win this.
I see a light at the end of the dark tunnel.
I think I can do this. I'll thank my mom and my dad for instilling this fighting spirit in me. Come on, gang. Let go of me. Don't you dare grab me. Caught him. Oh no. I have to use my special move.
No.
Listen here, bub. I'm on your ass. There's nothing you can do now. I'm in my perfect mode. Oh. Hang. Get up. Get up. Get up. Oh. Okay. You sure about that? No! My leg!
No, I forgot that.
Wow, maybe I can do this. And that's what I thought in the beginning. I totally thought that at some point I'd be able to actually win this thing. Because based on how he was playing, maybe he was messing with me or something. Because I thought I had a chance at this point.
One of many long fights. I'm not gonna let you go Super Saiyan on this one.
Listen, it's already happened. I am the legendary Super Saiyan. I don't know why all of a sudden I put on this fucking anime voice, bro. I tell you what though. I'm about to show you what these hands do, what these legs do, what these arms do. Ooh, ooh. Oh, no. No! I can't let this happen! Ooh, caught him with it. Caught him with it.
Oh, no!
Ah!
No!
Ooh. Listen, this first set is mine! No! Come on, Log, get up! Caught him. Ducked it. Weave! No! He turned me around.
Ooh.
I missed! I missed again! I'll get him here. No, what? Oh no!
Yes! I was watching my ankle! Yay!
No. I can't let him get away with this. The fate of the universe depends on it. Oh my goodness. What is that? What is that? Hey, what is this glowy magic? I wasn't told of this. This wasn't in the regulations.
I'm not a normal human. I'm... What am I? I could be a
I don't know, man.
spirit medium.
No! Not a medium!
I see the dead. And you're cursed. I'm trying to beat the
what?
curse in you.
You're trying to beat the curse out of me? What the fuck?
Yes, because it could possess you into like to be a demon. Trying to save you, young
So
man.
what you're telling me is you a demon slayer? Is that what you're telling me?
Did you not peep the fit?
Oh, I didn't. I thought you were someone from Hunter x Hunter, Vacuum Girl, or Velma.
Yo,
Oh, no.
I'm glad you said that. I'm not gonna cap, bro. You made my day.
Damn.
You
What I
made
do?
my
Power
day.
up? What is this? Little did I know, complimenting this guy would power him up, and he would just get better at the game because he's feeling himself.
That's what I was going for. I'm glad. I'm glad you said that.
Oh, for real? Yeah, nah, bro. You just missing the vacuum.
I am missing the
I'm
vacuum.
being honest, too. She was a baddie. She was a baddie, for real.
Bad.
I don't know what it is, man. Glasses just doing for me. It's not one of them types of videos. Let me get back on my shit. Hang, hang, hang. I don't like these elbows you be throwing in here, dog. Shit discriminatory if I'm being honest. No. Oh my god, I barely even touched it. I gotta do this.
Ooh, that brother's floating in the air. How could his hands do this? Oh, someone get him out the air.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no.
What you trying to do? Steal my move? Oh my god. I can't let this happen.
Sir, I really don't want this demon
What was
to
that?
come and
My goodness.
mess up society, bro.
Oh my
I'm your
goodness.
executioner, bro.
I can't let this happen. No, my leg! Listen. Caught him with it.
I am your... Look.
Listen, this demon is
I
like
understand.
Nezuko. It's my dog. I can't just let her die. Caught him with it.
I under...
Caught him with it. Caught him with it. Demon or not, I'm gonna kick your ass.
Oh,
I'm still in this. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I'm losing so much health.
You just gotta take it.
Oh my god.
Just gotta take it.
No. Oh, I hate you. One of the
Sir,
last two.
please put on a shirt. One.
I can't allow this. That means you won one. And ladies and gentlemen, this is not where it stopped. He proceeded to win the next 2 sets. AKA he's up 3 and I'm up zip. Nothing. 0 shit. It was rough. It was really fucking rough. I tell you what. I'm out here fighting for my life and he's out here giggling and laughing and shit because he knows that he's just gonna beat me outright.
Fuck. Sorry. Something really funny came into mind.
What?
You're gonna have to give me a second because I'm
Just keep laughing at it if you keep thinking about it?
kinda. Ooh. Okay, look, I might as well say it to get it out the way. The title of it should be How I Found My Dad in Tekken.
God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass.
Hell no! How I found my dad in Tekken.
How I found
I
my
would
dad in
never call you dad in this shit, bro. Hell no, everyone gonna think I'm soft.
The way I'm sunning you right now is just crazy. Oh my god.
Who knows? I could always come back, you know.
You could make the greatest underdog comeback, and I wouldn't even be mad.
Then I would have a long video after that.
Oh my gosh, yo, I literally got tears in my eyes. I don't know why I found that shit fucking
No! Oh, I'm so locked in. This next part's gonna be so dead silent. What is this?
Oh.
No way! What is this?
I may be down, but I'm never out. Never out. Do something unexpected. Unexpected. Ooh. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man.
Okay. I can do this.
Bro,
Just gotta stay focused.
Keep it going.
Gotta lock in on the
Bro,
prize.
keep it.
Now I'm not gonna lie to you. I got excited. I finally won a round after 3 straight losses, and it's been a minute since I won a round. But I can still do this. I still had faith that I could bring this home. Little did I know these little laughs he's doing here, it's because he already knows my technique, and he already knows I can't beat him. But damn did he let me suffer.
Bro, trying to keep it going. Bro said it's time for my underdog story. Add that shit video. 7 perfect letters. Subtle foreshadowing. Subtle foreshadowing. Yeah. I hate to see it. All you gotta do is lock it. All you gotta do is lock it. All you gotta do is lock it. Check me out, look. All you gotta do is lock it.
I hate you so.
Oh, man.
Alright gang, this is rough. This is really fucking rough. I thought I had a chance, maybe playing him in Tekken. It's not looking that way. I'm getting fucking cooked. No matter what I do, I go for lows, I go for mids, I'm just getting bodied. He's just better than me, which means I should have done more in training, and I maybe should have trained differently or something. Should have mastered a combo and went from there, because I am cooked. God, I regret talking shit now. You already have 3,
God.
right? You only need 1 more game and you win? Bro, this is about to be a short-ass video.
I think this one right now is the 3rd one.
I thought you already won 3. 2 is Super Saiyan, 1 is regular Goku, and this one is Vegeta.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
You know, Super Saiyan went by so fast, you know, I didn't even see the man, bro.
God damn it. Oh my god.
Is she stronger than Goku? Yes.
Oh my god. Shut up, bro. I wish I could have said that shit.
You didn't want to make it to an anime?
Too bad I got it on kills. Oh my god. And my back turned.
Oh no.
Oh my god, my first combo and I drop it? Not catch you!
Because I was ducking. I was ducking. Ah! No! 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 No!
I'm about to put some music in right here.
final battle type shit.
Right here's where I'm gonna put the sad music in. It's gonna be the sad violin.
At this moment right here, he knew.
Fuck!
Fucked up.
Alright, dude.
Yeah.
Listen,
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie to you. I got cooked.
Yeah.
But one of these days, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna get my revenge. Maybe not this week. Maybe not next week. But soon. Damn it.
Well, as I said before, I'm never gonna decline a challenge. So you know where I'll be at. So come to challenge the #1 belt at any time.
Fuck you. Hi. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Took me some time to make. I'm gonna hopefully start posting more here. Excited for y'all to see the next one. Till then, like and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in.